Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Well, guys, first of all, just take a look at the market. This is the pre-market right there, that area here. Now, the market had already gapped down. Let me back this up just a little bit. You can kind of see the market had already gapped down in the pre-market. And look at this market. I mean, it has been no bounce whatsoever. There's that opening 15-minute candle, and we have just maintained a steady decline with, well, I mean, there's a little bounce here in that green 15-minute, but really no bounce to speak of. So obviously then the idea is to really concentrate on shorts, okay, today, because to try to play something long, I'm not saying there's nothing that that would have worked, but pretty strong, or pretty tough to find something that's to go long on that you have any confidence in. So woof. So take a look at woof. So this showed up on my 10-day daily breakdown, one of my favorite scans. Now these showed up earlier, okay, but I don't like taking trades in the first 15 minutes. And these all showed up in the first 15 minutes. That's Macy's, Hanes, and I think this is Sporting Academy, something like that. And these are, now the retailers just got hammered. Started with yesterday with Walmart and continuing today with Target. So these are all retailers. But if I look at these, I mean, they actually chopped around and bounced and all that. So when I got woof, I said, okay, what can woof do? Now, it's not an earnings play, and obviously a specialty retailer. And so it got the alert, and it was at 17:45, okay? Right up here is when I got the alert. And I was watching and thinking, okay, is this bouncing like the Macy's did, or the Hanes did, or what was the other, ASO did? No. So I waited a bit. I don't take these trades usually right off the bat, okay? I wait a little bit to see how it's trading. And so I actually entered this short right around here, around 1730. And look at the run it had before it finally bounced. 1730 down to 1571. I mean, just a tremendous percentage move. I mean, just tremendous. Now, did I take some out along the way? Yes, I took some out before 16, just in case, that whole number didn't break. But I was able to hold on for a good portion of that short all the way down to this level before it bounced. So what made it great? Well, 10-day daily breakdown, close to an all-time low. At this point, this is an all-time low. I mean, that's what I really love about these ones. When I get the 10-day daily breakdown and it's near an all-time low, because I have to think to myself, who's really going to want to step in and buy something that's at an all-time low, especially the day of? I mean, I'm not saying, maybe the next day, maybe, stock basis for a few days, you're going to get bottom fishers. Of course you will. But I always look at it now, the day of, oh boy, I mean, it takes something to step in. And obviously, at some point, there were enough people at 1570 said enough is enough. And they did. But I was able to ride this down, and many in our trading room were able to do the same thing. All right, I want to get back into the trading room. Again, in the email you're getting, you can still sign up for the test drive. You won't have 10 full days. You'll have 7 days. And is that right? Yeah, I have 7 days, Thursday and Friday this week, and all next week. You can try us out for $11.11. And we only do this 4 times a year, so it's a great opportunity to try us out and see what Trade Ideas is all about. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning Eastern Time. Hope to see you in our trading room. Bye-bye.